friends, welcome to my channel. So today's a laundry day and we are going to make all the products we need to do our laundry. All non-toxic, all natural, all inexpensive and super easy to do. So come along. The first thing we're going to start with is laundry detergent. This is going to be super easy. So what we need for this is baking soda, washing soda, and Castile soap. I get Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I get it at, you can get it at Walmart, Amazon, you can get it right on Dr. Bronner's website, or any kind of Castile soap works. All right. Now, the thing with washing soda, I've heard some people have a hard time finding it. I didn't have any washing soda. I don't live by a Walmart. So super easy to make. It's basically just concentrated baking soda. So here's how you make it. Hi, so this is how we're just gonna make some washing soda if you don't have any, which I don't. What we're gonna do is just take some regular baking soda. I'm doing a half a cup because I'm making the regular laundry soap. If you wanna make the powdered laundry soap, you're gonna take 2 cups of baking soda. Lay it out on your cookie sheet just like this. I'm preheating my oven to 425, and then I'm just going to simply put this in the oven for 1 hour. That will bring up the alkaline level up to 11, which is what we want. This is what we're going to use to make our laundry soap. Simple as that. Another frugal hack. So I'm not going to run out and buy a whole box of washing soda when I just need a half a cup. I'm simply going to take my baking soda, which I buy in bulk, and make my own. That simple. Baking soda has a pH of 8. Washing soda has a pH of 11. So it is more toxic on bare skin to touch it. Mixing it and using it to wash our clothes is fine, but it's not something we would want to cook with. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up in my blender because I think it's going to help it dissolve. I'm going to bring you down just a little bit here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to mix it up in my blender so it will dissolve. So I have a half a cup of baking powder. Then I'm going to take a half a cup of my washing soda. Now, if you want to make the powdered laundry soap, you can take the bar of Castile soap and shred it and mix it with 2 cups of washing soda. Mix that up and there you have it. Okay, so that's if you want the powdered. This is going to be liquid laundry soap. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some warm water and just enough right here that I'm going to mix it up. So I'm going to just take enough to kind of mix it so it'll dissolve. So I'm going to just blend this up here to help it dissolve. Now I'm going to bring this over to my bucket that I have in the sink. Now you want to use a bucket that at least can hold 2 gallons of water. So I'm going to pour that in there and I'm going to fill this up. We are almost done, you guys. Just like, so once we have our 2 gallons of water in there, I'm gonna take 3/4 of a cup of our Castile soap and we are going to put it into our mixture here. Now, if you want to use a soap that has some disinfectant properties, you can get the tea tree. I'm using peppermint today, but you can use the tea tree Castile soap and that disinfects as well. Say it's flu and cold season and you want to disinfect everything, keep everything disinfected. Tea tree Castile soap is a great way to do that. So I am just going to mix this up and now I'm going to add some essential oils. So I'm going to add a little bit of lemon, about 15 drops, maybe a little more because it's 2 gallons. Now this comes out to about $3 a gallon. So $3 a gallon, and I use maybe 1/4 to 1/2 cup in each wash. Oh yeah, that smells really good. You know how I am with my smells. Now I'm just using some recycled vinegar jugs that I have. You can use recycled water jugs, milk jugs, whatever you have. And I'm just gonna put these in there, label them, keep them in my laundry room. That's the laundry soap, just like that. All right, now we're gonna move on to some fabric softener. Super easy, DIY, non-toxic fabric softener, 3 ingredients, 2 if you don't want to use the essential oils. Let's go. This is a fun one to make with your kids because it's gonna use vinegar and baking soda. So it's gonna be like one of those science experiments. You wanna use a big bowl because it's gonna do the little bubbling action. So right here, I have a 1/2 cup of baking soda because it's just me. And I don't really do a ton of laundry because it is just me. I don't have, you know, a full family. When we were a family of 5, I had a ton of laundry, but with just me, it's not quite as much. So I'm going to do a 1/2 cup. If you have a full family, I would definitely do a cup of the baking soda. Okay. I'm going to do 2 cups of vinegar. Now you would do, ready? It's going to bubble over. And now I'm going to mix this down. Now the vinegar and the baking soda also disinfect your clothes and help with any odors. And so we're just gonna mix this up until it gets nice and dissolved together. And then I just add a cup of water to it. I'm just gonna add the essential oils in there. It's up to you whether you want to add the essential oils. You can, you don't have to. I'm just gonna add a cup of water. I'm gonna add 3 drops, 5 drops of tea tree. And then I am gonna add some lemon drops. Another good one to add is eucalyptus into the laundry too. And this way, you'll have nice smelling laundry. So now with these products, you do wanna swish or shake them up a little bit right before you use them. I am going to keep it in a mason jar and then I will label it. So just like that. And then I usually add about 1/4 cup to my rinse cycle. The final thing that I'm going to do is a dryer ball. The reason why I made dryer balls is because I found out I'll just swish it like that. You can wash your pillows. If you guys want me to do a cleaning hack, I just did this house hack. All right, so if you guys want me to do a cleaning hack, just please comment below and let me know. I did a household hack in my frugal series. I can link that below, but that was a big hit. So the reason why I do dryer balls is because I did find out that we can wash our pillows in our washing machine. And to dry them, we need to use dryer balls. Now you can purchase dryer balls. You can purchase them on Amazon in stores, but it's super easy to make them. Take a ball of yarn. This one's still a little big, but when it gets smaller, now I had some that were really small. These were a little too small, so I put 2 in there. You just take it, you take the end of the yarn, tuck it in a few times with the needle, put them in a nylon stocking. I tie the end, throw it in your dryer. There's your dryer ball. Simple, easy, free, if you have the stuff at home. Super simple. These are very easy, economical ways that we can do our laundry that's non-toxic at home. Not only does it save on the environment, but it saves on our health and it saves on our pocketball. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like these videos, please like and share. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these in the comments. Thanks so much. Have a great day and be blessed. Bye.